In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to this powerful project management tool or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the basics to get you started efficiently. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up for free. You can choose to create an account using your email address, or, for added convenience, connect directly through your Google account. This step is straightforward and sets the foundation for everything you'll do within Monday.com. Once you've signed up, the platform will prompt you to create your first workspace. Now, think of a workspace as a large folder that you can tailor to a particular department, project, or team. This structure helps keep everything organized. But don't worry, if you have multiple projects or teams, additional workspaces can be created as needed down the line. Now, collaborating with your team is key to success. To invite team members, click on your profile picture, head into the Admin section, and find the Users tab. Here you can enter the email addresses of your teammates and set the appropriate permissions for each. This way, you control who can view or edit information, making teamwork seamless and secure. Next, let's talk about how to organize your tasks effectively. By clicking on the plus New button in the left sidebar, you can select Board. Boards are where the magic happens, allowing you to keep tasks, projects, and ideas in one place. You can start from scratch, or, if you're looking for inspiration, explore over 200 pre-designed templates. These templates cater to various needs, such as project plans, budget trackers, or sprint planning, offering a quick way to get up and running. Visualizing your work is crucial, and Monday.com has several options. You can switch between different views like the traditional table, the flexible Kanban, calendar for scheduling, timeline for progress tracking, and the more comprehensive Gantt chart. Each view provides a unique perspective, letting you choose the best fit for your project's specific requirements. Automation can supercharge productivity, and adding automations in Monday.com is simple. Just click on Automate, choose an app, and select a template that suits your task. Automations can simplify repetitive processes, freeing up time for more important work. As you gather more data, dashboards become invaluable. They allow you to pull information from multiple boards into one central, customizable view. This feature helps you see the bigger picture at a glance and make informed decisions quickly. Finally, staying connected with your team is easy. Click on any item to open the conversation section on the right. Here, you can write updates, mention teammates, and attach files. This section functions as a centralized communication hub, keeping everyone informed and engaged. And that's it for today's quick guide to using Monday.com. I hope this walkthrough helps you get started on organizing and managing your projects more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.